Today I'd like to show you how to play Head and Heart, which is Joel Corry featuring M&EK. It's really easy to play. There are only 4 chords, but they're really important chords and found in many different songs. Capo at fret 1. Let's take a look. So the basic chords are Let's take a close look at the chords. E minor, G, D to C. Fingers 1 and 2 for E minor, but it's up to you. You can play it this way or fingers 2 and 3. Either way, it sounds the same. If I use fingers 1 and 2, I can get to G chord this way. Or if I use fingers 2 and 3, I can extend fingers 3 and 4 to get to a G chord. Putting those together, being good at all 4 of these chords opens up possibilities to lots and lots of different pop songs. The rhythm guitar is really easy as well. And here's how to play the tune on the guitar. It's a really catchy tune, the kind of tune that'll be stuck in your head all day long. And the same thing a little bit closer. And a little slower. So let's keep in mind the capo at fret number 1. The capo is essentially replacing the nut, the white piece of plastic. So now this is our new number 1, fret 1, fret 2 and fret 3. So I keep my first finger over fret 1, finger 2 over fret 2, finger 3, fret number 3. To make my playing sound more like the song, instead of using a normal C chord, if I take the first finger away, this gives me a C major 7. So if I play it, see how the B string open complements the tune. Etc, etc. And putting these things together, And now it's your turn to practice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and listening.